Finally, the RecipeTin crispy salt and pepper squid. We have been working on this recipe for 3 years to get that perfect crunch, the perfect coating, and it stays crunchy. Already cleaned squid tubes like this work great, but if you use baby squid, it's even better because it's more tender, plus the tentacles are super crunchy. Get your fishmonger to clean them for you or see my separate video tutorial to clean it yourself. Whichever you use, the first step is to score diamonds into the flesh. This creates ridges to make them crunchier, as well as cooking the squid more evenly. Then cut the squid into rectangles or long triangles about 5 centimetres long. That's 2 inches. Oh, hello there, Dozer. If you're using baby squid, don't forget to use the tentacles. As I said, best part. Now the batter. The secret to ultra crunchy salt and pepper squid is the perfect ratio of corn flour to flour with just a hint of baking powder to puff up the crust. Then just salt and pepper for seasoning and plain tap water. The other secret is to refrigerate the batter for 30 minutes, which lets the gluten in the flour develop so the batter clings to the slippery squid better and doesn't fry up chewy or oily. Plus, cold batter, when it hits the hot oil, equals crunchy. When you're ready to cook, add some of the squid and toss to coat. Let the excess batter drip off, then fry in oil heated to 160 degrees Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit. Cook for 2 minutes until light golden, then drain on a paper towel lined tray. Repeat with the remaining squid, making sure the oil comes back up to temperature before each fry. Now the last secret to ultra crunchy squid is a double fry. Increase the oil temperature to 200 Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, then fry the squid for just 90 seconds until it's really golden and crunchy. Double frying is rapidly becoming the worst kept Asian cooking secret for ultra crunchy, less greasy fried food. Plus, it stays crunchy even when the squid is cold. Seriously, sprinkle with salt and pepper. I personally prefer white pepper for squid. Give it a toss. Listen to that crunch. The squid is super tender and that coating is so crunchy. Most people love these bits, but me, I love the tentacles. Crunch to the max. The only thing that can make this better, aioli. It's insane. That crunch is insane. Definitely all mine. Do you want the ultimate proof of crunch? Dozer, come here.